Here's how to install soft loops on your Flint holster. First, strip everything off. If you got DCCs, remove the DCCs, remove the mod wing, everything stripped down to the bare hardware shell. Put the soft loops on, and then we'll put the mod wing back on. So to start with the soft loops, you'll take a 1/4-inch screw post, put it inside the shell and out through one of the slots, then press a 1/8-inch rubber washer over it. Do the other screw post in the other slot. If you want to go straight drop, do too high, too low. If you're going for forward cant to carry behind the hip, go 1 high, 1 low, and that will give you forward cant. Then you'll take your loop with the open snap side facing away from the holster, line up one of the holes over the screw post. For most concealed carry, people are carrying 1.5-inch belts, so you'll line up the tightest, the hole furthest from the end that will give you the smallest loop circumference. Then you take your snap stud, place it over that hole, and your small number 5 head screw, drop it in there, and use a screwdriver, in this case, because I'm in a hurry, using an electric clutch driver. And then do the same thing over here with the open part of the snap facing away from the holster. Just line up the 3rd hole, set your stud in place, your screw in place, and tighten. Then once these are attached, hook the bottom edge of the snap where there's that small tab at 6 o'clock under the edge of the stud and snap it up into place. To open it, it's the opposite. Snap down and away to release it. Then to reattach the mod wing, since if you took a DCC off, you would have a different stack of hardware, you will want to take your mod wing and take these little bushings called eyelets and drop those back into the mod wing holes. Then take your 1/2-inch screw posts, drop those in your mod wing holes. Line all that up on the front side of the holster over the eyelet holes in the holster. Hold it in place, turn it over, and these 5/8-inch oval head screws will go right in from the back and attach your mod wing. Since you are no longer sharing the mod wing and the clip attachment on the same hardware stack, you need these shorter screws, otherwise the screws will poke through and stick out the back. So at the end, you should have screw heads at the back, screw posts at the front, and your soft loops attached.